Hello friends, welcome to my channel DNT English Classes. Well, today I welcome you to my new video. Well, what is today's video about? Let us find out. Well, our today's video is about contractions. What is it? It is contractions. Now coming in Hindi, इस contractions का क्या मतलब होता है? Contractions means संक्षेपन, we can say छोटा रूप, सिकुड़न, संकुचन फॉर्म. ये contractions क्या होता है? What is contractions and why it is important in language, especially when we are talking about spoken language, when we are talking about writing, when we are writing casually, like when we are writing dialogues, conversation. So how this contraction is important for speaking, that we'll see. First, we are trying to learn as how to form this contraction and how to speak this in spoken. इसको कैसे बनाना है और इसको कैसे बोलना है contractions. I'll tell you something about contractions कि इसे कैसे बनाया जाता है. We have 2-3 rules for these contractions. अभी हम बात करेंगे फर्स्ट रूल के बारे में. फर्स्ट रूल इज पर्सनल प्रोनाउन I, you can see you, we, he, she, it, they are personal pronoun. और इस पर्सनल प्रोनाउन को ऐड करेंगे इस वर्ब के साथ am, have, will and all. तो ये हमारा रूल होगा कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस बनाने का. हम बात कर रहे थे कि ये कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस क्यों जरूरी है. वाई इज इट नेसेसरी फॉर स्पोकन लैंग्वेज और राइटिंग कन्वर्सेशन एंड डायलॉग. जब तक हम कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म को यूज नहीं करते हैं तब तक हम फ्लुएंट नहीं बोल सकते. इन ऑर्डर टू बी फ्लुएंट स्पीकर, फ्लुएंसी लाने के लिए इस कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस का यूज होना इज वेरी वेरी एसेंशियल. विदाउट इट दैट फ्लुएंसी विल नॉट बी मेंटेन्ड. So it is quite easy also and it is quite useful also for our speaking. So let us learn one by one. In first side, this left hand side we have the full form and the right we have short form. I am is the full form and its shortened form is I am, that is I'm. I apostrophe am. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन के साथ एम से ए वर्ड को रिमूव करके एपोस्ट्रॉफ डाल के एम डाला गया. आइम, आई एम आइम, आई हैव आइव. यू कैन सी हियर आई एपोस्ट्रॉफ भी इज द शॉर्टेंड फॉर्म ऑफ आई हैव. अगेन आई शैल एंड विल, आइदर वन. कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म इज आई apostrophe ll, that is I'll. Again I had oblique would is I'd, I apostrophe d. Next is you are, your, you apostrophe re, your. You have, that is you've, you apostrophe ve. You will, that is you'll. You will, you'll, you apostrophe ll. Now the next pronoun is you added with would, either or had. Contraction is you'd, you, the, you'd. He is oblique has. Contraction is his. His not, his. He will, he'll. he apostrophe ll. He would oblique had, he'd. He, the, hid. She is oblique has, sees. Sees not, sees. See and then jaw, sees. Next is she will. Shortened is C apostrophe ll, seal. She had oblique would, she'd. It is, has, its. It will, shortened is it'll. It, apostrophe ll, it'll. We were, shortened is we apostrophe re, we're. We have, we've, we apostrophe ve, we've. We will. We would / had. For both the would and had the same contractions, it is we'd. They are there. There. The apostrophe re, there. They have, they've. They apostrophe ve, they've. They will, they apostrophe ll, they'll. They'll. They had and would, contraction is dead. Dead. Now I'll make few sentences of this contracted form as how it is spoken, how it is used in dialogue and conversation. For example, I'm telling that I'm going to school, so I say I'm going. I'm doing my work. I've told you. I've told you. I've given. I've reminded them. I'll do it for you. I never say I will or shall. I'll do it for you. You are welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You are welcome. You have given wonderful speech. You've given today wonderful speech. You'll do that. You'll do that. You told me you had. Here would also, but depends on the whether it is had or would, it will be clear. Whatsoever the verb will be followed, it will make clear that it is had or would. If it is V1, then it is would. If it is V3, then it is had. He's going, he's coming today. He's not going today. I'd like to help you. I'd like to tell you one thing. I'd. Now, he'll give you some information about this matter. He'd love to do that. She's doing it today. She will tell you. She'll tell you. She'll help you. Suppose she had gone, she'd gone. It is or has, certain is, it's true, it's clear. It's not perfect, it is. It has been done, it's been done. So it's is the certain form of it is and as well it has. It'll happen. It'll happen today. It'll do good for you. We were playing in the field yesterday. We're playing. We've told you about this many times. We've given you warnings about this. We'll sort out. We'll sort out the matter. Either shall can also be here. We will or we shall. The contracted form is we will do that, will tell you, will go there. We would had would love to do that. They're not coming today. They're going Patna today. They're doing it right away. They've explained everything about this. They'll do it next day. They'd gone to vacation. Now we have to practice smartly, as in rhythm. How it is done? At a time. I am, I'm, I have, I've, I shall, will, I'll, I had, would, I'd, you are, your, you have, you've, you will, you'll, you would, you'd, oblique had, he is or has, his, he would or had, he'd, she is and has, says, she will, she'll, she had, would, she'd, it is, has, its, it will, it'll, we were, we're, we have, we've, she will, oblique shall, she'll, we will have, will, we would had, would, they are, there, they have, they've, they will, they'll, they had and would is that. Now, it is very important and essential exercise because without this contracted form, you cannot be a fluent speaker. It's for sure. It is not possible anyway. So it's better to practice this exercise beforehand we start speaking anything in English. To practice this exercise is very easy. Whenever we are using any pronoun along with verb, we'll make sure that we are using the contracted form. I'll have the another part of this after this video. I'll give you the regular contractions form which is not included in this video. I want to actually make this video a shorter video. So I will definitely contain that in the next video. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, definitely I hope you'll subscribe it, you'll like it, you'll comment it, because your comment and suggestion is required at this stage. And I hope that this exercise is quite helpful for you. Bye for now.